Yes, you can charge your Hyundai Ioniq 5 at Tesla Superchargers using a CCS1 to Tesla adapter. Hyundai officially supports this with their Tesla Supercharger adapter, priced around $250 to $300. First, ensure your Ioniq 5 software is updated to recognize the adapter. Plug the adapter into the Ioniq 5 CCS1 port, then connect to the Tesla connector. Use the Tesla app to pay, as non-Tesla fees range from 25 cents to 50 cents per kilowatt hour. Charging speeds are typically between 150 to 200 kilowatts, limited by the station's output. Wait times may occur during peak hours. While convenient, remember, superchargers prioritize Tesla vehicles, so wait times may occur during peak hours. Monitor charging closely. The Ioniq 5's battery management system automatically tapers charging speed above 80% state of charge to protect the battery. Future trends point toward universal CCS connectors, potentially eliminating the need for adapters by 2030 as standardization efforts advance. Tesla's V4 Superchargers, with their advanced designs, hint at future compatibility improvements for non-Tesla vehicles. Charging fees are trending downward, and Tesla's network is expanding globally with more open stations for non-Tesla EVs. By 2030, interoperability should be widespread, but for now, diversified charging options are best due to potential dependency on Tesla's network.